Today, I'm going to show you how I styled my bedside table and bed, kinda. That is so simple you can do in 5 minutes. I cleaned my bedside stand and added some cute things to look at in my guest room. Everything is DIY or things I had in my stash, so nothing to buy. My motto is use what you have. So after cleaning the bedside stand and tray, I began putting things back together. I put the round tray on top of the nightstand. And I added a cloche light that I made. A bunny with pink flowers. A glass recycled barbecue container. And I added pink and lavender flowers. All of these were added to the tray that I recycled. It was just a plain marble looking tray. I added the handles and the feet on the bottom. You can even write on this tray. You can write welcome for your guest, and it wipes off with a paper towel. Besides, there's a magnet that comes with it, and you can add some notes, like I added a note about prayer. Since they will be relaxing while visiting, I put a towel and a washcloth in a bamboo tray that I had gotten a long time ago from Pier 1 when it was up and running. And I added a box of self-care items for a relaxing stay. There's some lavender, there's soap, lip gloss, and some lavender to help them to sleep better. And all of this was put together and put on top of the bed. Then a pink throw was added to the end of the bed so they could snuggle up and maybe keep a little warm in cooler weather. Cozy Corner or Vignette is co-hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Design with Emma. The theme is pastels, and the co-hosts include Annalise Cupboard, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Barbie Daily Rural Life, and me, Z9designs. Be sure to follow the hashtag CozyCorner25. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Collaborating is satisfying, but it can be challenging, especially if you're a busy person. I always enjoy the encouraging comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of my subscribers. And remember, and those who are peacemakers will plant seeds of peace and reap a harvest of righteousness. This is found in James 3:18. See you later. Bye-bye.